Oh man, forgot to charge my phone again. If only there was like some charger I could use while I was traveling. Like this one, the MAGICMOUNT Travel. And oh my gosh, that was such a terrible segue. We're reviewing this Scosche MAGICMOUNT Travel right after this. Okay, so if you're still with me after that really lame introduction, thank you. Because now it's time for me to unbox this guy. Scosche is a company we reviewed before. I can't remember the last product we have. I think it was like a 3-in-1 charger, so it's kind of fitting that we've got the 2-in-1 wireless charger. This isn't probably going to be the only product we're going to be reviewing here in the next few months or so, because I saw them at CES, and at the time I had gotten this. I told them I hadn't reviewed it yet, but I said like, hey, why don't I just review that, and then we can talk about reviewing more. So yeah. Anyway, so let's get to the unboxing on this guy. And I have a hunch he's going to surprise us. I hope he does. So let's see what we got here. It comes in kind of a book format. The Book of Charger. And in Chapter 1, it looks like we've got some interesting packaging here. Let's take it out. Between you and me, I can honestly say that this is a pretty decent design here. Now, what I believe this thing does is it sets up kind of magnetically, like this, maybe? Let's see. Okay. That locks together magnetically, I know that much. Okay, so now we got to figure out, is it like, okay, that's how it works. This thing kind of goes like this. Okay, so, I happen to have a phone here that it's not an iPhone, so it doesn't have the MagSafe on here, and I'm trying to see if this can. Alright, it does do MagSafe iPhone models. Is it only for iPhone though? That's what I want to find out here. Because there are some products here that are, okay, it's MagSafe compatible, but this thing is a magnetic charger. Can it stick on there? Does it stick on there? I'm going to say no for now. Okay, I was thinking this was one of these mobile chargers with some charge in it, but I'm not sure if it is. So I'm just going to suggest that maybe it's not. And just to be on the safe side, I'm going to take off the case on this because I've noticed I've gotten better results on charging this thing without a case. So doesn't look like it works with that alone. However, I do sense that it is, okay, you saw it peel off there, but it is sticking here, and that's good. Now, according to the instructions on this, and I am reading it because, you know, I just like to be in the know here. It says it charges the iPhone up to 7.5 watts, AirPods up to 5 watts, and Samsung phones can do about 10 watts, but it won't work if the device is in a folded position. So I'm assuming, is this the folded position? Or is this the folded position? I'm a little confused by this. Okay, I'm just going to assume this is not a mobile battery. So I'm going to assume that it comes with some sort of charging cable that I didn't unlock here. So, and here it is, right here. Does it come with anything else? Oh, and of course some instructions. So we'll do that there. Okay, so this is a travel stand. It's wireless charging. So, okay, generally, it's weird that I don't know if this is a mobile charging battery or not, and perhaps it's because maybe I just assumed that it was. But of course, you know, we all know what happens if you assume. I better plug in this thing and just make sure that we can charge and stuff. Okay, as you can see, we've got a good USB-C to USB-C. This one is even at a right angle. So I'm just going to plug it in here. And then plug it in here. I know how chargers work. Okay, so just for the sake of argument, let's see if it works as a charger. On the Samsung phone. Oh. I had it. Okay, I still got it. Okay. Oh, dang, it was there. There it is. Okay, there it is. Okay, it was giving me that. Okay, let's try it folded. See if that makes any difference. Ta-da! I got it. Okay, it's charging. Take my word for it. It's charging. Okay, so we know, what do we know about this? You gotta plug it in. It's not a mobile battery, but it is a charger. What else can we find out about it? Just by looking at stuff. Of course, you're watching this video. You don't want to read, so let me read for you. Basically, oh yeah, as I said, I mean, 10-watt charging for a Samsung phone, which is what this is. So this should be charging up in no time flat. Okay, some time has passed and it is charged up pretty well. Something I want to draw to your attention here is that what I believe is set on the instructions, if I had an iPhone, which I don't, and AirPods, the iPhone could go here. Okay, I'm not doing a good job of pointing this out here, so I got the, you know what, I'm taking this cord off just so I can demonstrate this. Okay, so this thing stands up like this. Oh man, what is this? Okay, for some reason I'm having a hard time getting this thing to stick again. Why am I? Okay, now it's stuck. Okay, sometimes you just gotta let things do that. Okay, so, alright, take two. Okay, so something I want to demonstrate is that if once you have this thing set up, your iPhone can go on this thing and charge, and then your AirPods can go on the back of this thing and charge. And I believe that they will stick there, according to the illustration that I'm seeing here. And I'll make sure I have to remember to put that in here. So yeah, now I wonder, can I do it like this? Oh, actually, hang on. I want to just lay it down like that. So, okay. Charging? Yep, we're charging. Okay, so I imagine I could probably put something down here too. You know what? Can I do this? Can I just do that? I can! Oh my gosh! I can put my Samsung phone down, so technically I could charge 2 Samsung phones on this. Could I? Let's just say we could. Okay, I don't have 2 Samsung phones I can demonstrate this on right now. Alright, that is another successful test of another successful Scosche product. And this one is on sale for about $79.99. You can get it right now on the Scosche site. And let's hope that this isn't all the Scosche we're reviewing, because chances are when you're out of Scosche, you're out of products. That didn't make any sense at all. Ring, ring. Hello, yes, this is Mark Rollins, and I'm signing off. Okay, I thought I'd do something a little different there.